welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on April 25 to Saturday May 1st 2021, and we have so many free items today and so many deals going on today, so stay tuned in this channel. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's get started with my first deal. So my first deal, it's if you have this $5 of $25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. It's on sale $3.99. Also you can buy 2 Colgate mouthwash and get back $5 ECB. It's on sale $4.49. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate Total Mouthwash 500 ml, it's $17.96. It's $4.49 each. Also, I buy 2 Colgate Toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. The totals come out $25.94. I use one $5 of $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. I use one $1 of Colgate Toothpaste digital coupon. Also, I use one $1 of Colgate mouthwash digital coupon. Also, I use three $1 of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $10. I just pay $15.94 and get back $10 ECB for the Colgate mouthwash and get back $4 ECB for the Colgate toothpaste. The final cost is only just $1.94 or 32 cents each. My next deal is Any Seek Refill and Skintimate disposable razor deal. Buy 2 Any Seek Refill and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Seek Skintimate refill. It's $21.98. It's $10.99 each in my store. Also, I buy 2 Seek Skintimate disposable razor 4CT. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. The totals come out $33.96. I use one $6 of $30 Any Save Care oral hygiene product CVS CRT. Also, I have one $4 of 2 Skintimate disposable razor CVS CRT. Also, I use one $4 of Seek disposable printable coupon on coupon.com and use one $4 of Seek disposable digital coupon. Also, I use one $4 of Seek Woman printable coupon on coupon.com and use one $4 of Seek Woman digital coupon. The total coupon is $25. I just pay $7.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost, all this razor and refill are free. My next deal is Sure or Brute deodorant deal. Buy one Sure or Brute deodorant and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $2 each. You can buy one Sure or Brute deodorant. It's $2. I just pay $2 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. My next deal is Any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $12.98. It's $6.49 each in my store. I use one $3 off CoverGirl mystery coupon. It's printed this week on Coupon Center. Also, I use two $3 of CoverGirl eye printable coupon and one I use the digital. The total coupon is $9. I just pay $3.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. My next deal is hair care and facial care deal. This deal I do this together because I have 4 of 18 hair care CVS CRT. Buy 3 Select Nexas and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household and spend $15 on Garnier hair care and facial care and get back $5 ECB. This also has a limit 1 per household. I buy 3 Nexas Carafix treatment pack 1.5 OZ. It's $11.37. It's $3.79 each in my store. Also, in this transaction, I buy one Garnier whole blend sulfate free shampoo. It's $8.29. Also, I buy one Garnier micellar makeup remover wipe. It's $7.79. The totals come out $27.45. I use one $4 of $18 any hair care CVS CRT. Also, I use one $2 of Garnier Whole Blend Sulfate Free Shampoo digital coupon. Also, I use one $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon. Use one $2 of Garnier Micellar CVS CRT. Also, I have one $2 of Garnier Micellar CVS CRT, but it took only just 79 cents because the price is $7.79. That's why they adjust the price. Also, I use one $3 of Garnier Skin Active CVS CRT. Also, I have one $5 of Nexas CVS CRT. The total coupon is $18.79. I just pay $8.66 and get back $5 ECB for the Garnier when you spend $15 and get back $10 ECB for the Nexas when you buy 3. The final cost is free plus $6.34. But in this transaction, I make a mistake, so don't buy this product. So I can show you my receipt. I buy 3 Nexas. I buy 2 Nexas. It's $3.79. And also I buy 1 Nexas 3 OZ. It's $5.79. My CRT it's perfectly fine, but they not printed out my extra buck. And it's say like quantity toward this reward it's 2, but like you need for the extra buck it's 1. So I guess my $5.79 it's not included that part of the deal. So in another receipt I buy $3.79 Nexus pouch 1.5 OZ and they printed my $10 back. And here is the Garnier one. The $3 of Garnier Skin Active, it's going perfectly fine. $2 of Garnier Micellar, it's going perfectly fine. And $2 off. It took only just 79 cents because they adjust the price. Because I use the printable coupon. So they adjust the price 79 cents. So don't make a mistake. You can buy straight $3.79 each pouch. And you can get $10 ECB back. My next deal is Clairol Hair Care deal. Spend $15 on Clairol Hair Care and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Clairol Nice and Easy permanent hair color is $15 because it's 2 for $15. I use one $2 of 2 Clairol Hair Care CVS CRT. Also, I use one $6 of 2 Clairol Hair Color printable coupon on coupon.com and one I use the $6 of 2 Clairol Hair Color digital coupon. This coupon is glitch. The total coupon is $14. I just pay $1 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. So I can show you my receipt. The 2 coupon is glitching. I use one $6 of the digital and one I use the printable. The both coupon it's work perfectly fine and I use one $2 of 2 Clairol Hair Color, my CVS CRT. So I just pay only $1 and get back $2 ECB back. The final cost is free. My next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB deal. This is the unadvertised deal. Spend $12 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. And it's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. You can buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with wing 28 CT at $7.99. Also, I buy one Carefree Panty Liner 92 CT at $3.89. The totals come out $11.88. I use one $3 of 2 Stay Free Carefree digital coupon and also we have one $3 of 2 Stay Free Carefree digital coupon. This coupon is glitch. Also in this transaction, I have $2 of Carefree paid liner CVS CRT, but it took only just 89 cents because they adjust the price. So my total coupon is $6.89. I just pay $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. So here is my receipt. I buy one Stay Free, it's $7.99. Also the Carefree is half off, $3.89. My 2 coupon, 2 digital, one it's glitching, one also it's came off, and my $2 Carefree it took only just 89 cents. So the total coupon is $6.89, and pay only just $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. My next deal is bathroom tissue deal. If you have two CRT, you can do this, must do this deal, because everyone get that CVS CRT. So run guys. I have one buy one get two free Oso soft bath tissue CVS CRT, and also I have buy two get three tree green bath tissue CVS CRT. It's on sale. Both are on sale. Buy one get one free. I buy 6 True Green bath tissue 4-pack, it's $20.94. Also, I buy 4 Oso Soft bath tissue 12-pack, it's $51.96. The totals come out $72.90. I use one buy one get two free Oso Soft bath tissue CVS CRT, it's took $25.98. Also, I use one buy two get three Tree Green bath tissue CVS CRT, it's took $10.47. I just pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. So I can show you my receipt. I buy 6 True Green bath tissue is $3.49. Buy one get one free, buy one get one free, and buy one get one free. And also I buy 4 Oso soft tissue, it's buy one get one free and buy one get one free. I use one buy two get three free bath tissue, it's took $10.47. Also I have one buy one get two free, it's took $25.98. I pay nothing out of pocket, so final cost is free. My next deal is hand sanitizer deal. Buy two hand sanitizer 32 OZ, it's $15.98. It's $7.99 each in my store. So if you have this 2 buy 1 get 1 free hand sanitizer CVS CRT, so you can buy the bigger one hand sanitizer. This one is attaching the CRT, so I pay nothing out of pocket and the final cost is free. So I can show you my receipt. I buy two $7.99. It's to both of $7.99. I pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. My next deal, it's select Palmolive or Ajax deal. Buy 3 Palmolive dish soap, it's $2.97. It's 99 cents each. Also, I have $3 of 3 Palmolive or Ajax CVS CRT. I just pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. My next deal, it's any Hallmark item deal. They have the deal promotion ongoing, spend 15 and get back $3 ECB, but I didn't do this deal. I only just grabbed the free product. Buy 6 Hallmark gift bag, it's $2.94. It's 49 cents each. Also, I buy 1 Hallmark gift box, it's $4.99. The totals come out $7.93. I have 2 $4 or $5 Hallmark card CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. I just pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. My next and final deal, it's any chips or popcorn deal. I buy 1 Funyuns, it's $3.99. You can buy any one. You can buy any chips or popcorn, whatever you like. You can use 1 free bag of chips up to $5. I just pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. So this was today's haul. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys.